Say morning. Say morning. Say morning. You're too funny. Let me go get sister. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, sugar. Hey, hey, hey. Hi. 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 How are you? All right, girl. I'm gonna get you. Come. Tell us, stop, please. You come. Die. Stop it.
I just want to keep watching.
Yeah, so give me a kiss. Have to look after your sister. I love you.
I love you too.
You're too funny.
Bye bye. I'm going to school.
Who's gonna take you?
You by myself.
Okay, I see you.
Smoking.
T'as là, bisous, papa?
Let's leave the door.
Tu es gentil à
Sarah,
l'école, d'accord?
you're ready to take me to school?
Sarah, I'm gonna have her watch you and then take you to school.
Oh no.
Au revoir.
Bye bye. Say bye bye to face.
Say hello to Faith. Say on.
Bye bye.
Hi guys. Have a good day.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Of course, I'm up and doing my rounds. Doing my rounds, you guys. It is 8 o'clock and I should be out of here by 8:10. So as soon as Sarah finished having her bottle, we'll be heading out. All dressed for workout. Tyler is all dressed and ready to go to school. Babe just head out to work, so everybody's up and getting things going in their own little zone. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are using time management like I do to get things done, because if I don't do that, I go crazy and my entire day just turn upside down. It's doable. It's possible to get a lot of things done in a day when you prioritize and know what's important. Anyway, you guys, have a blessed day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Make sure you guys go and subscribe to Body After Baby. I'll keep reminding you every day until each and every one of you give me your support, even if you don't, even if you're not into workout. Subscribing would help a lot. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys when I get back from dropping Tyler at school. Just stand. Look at her with her cute self. Sarah? 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 More juice? Huh? More? Finish. Okay, time for green juice. You want green juice? I know you're looking forward to Mama juice. Ah? Come. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'm so beat. I got my workout in a very good session, and it's when I finish and in the bathroom I said, oh my god, I didn't pick up the camera. I was so in my zone I didn't realize that the camera wasn't on the entire time. But you guys see me every day anyway, and even if you miss it on the channel, there's workout on my fitness channel, which I'm sure you guys already subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to Body After Baby. The link is down below in the comment section and in the description box, and you can scroll up the top where you see the word channel. You just click on that word channel and you'll see the channel under the listing. Love you guys for all the support that you've been giving me on the fitness channel already. You guys are amazing, and my girls over there are already kicking butt and getting their workout in, so that makes me so happy to know that you guys are doing the workouts and it's feeling like you're really getting the workout in. You know what's really encouraging is knowing that each day when somebody send me a message on Instagram in my inbox and say, Mel, what I like about your workout is that I really feel like I get a workout in. It's not just you're there lounging, you're working out with me and we're hitting it and we're going all in, and it's such a passion. It's a joy to let you guys in on everything that I know and everything that I do. Anyway, with all that said, I am about to finish up my green juice for today, and I have a few things that I need to get done around here, so I have to stay on my timing and stay on my grind. Okay, let's see what I'll get accomplished done for today. So make sure you guys are prioritizing and getting stuff done. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys for the rest of today's vlog. Sarah is here chilling in her bed, in her playpen. Princess, it's her nap time in about 15 minutes, so she's going down for a nap. That way I can get more things done when she go down for a nap. Sarah, cuckoo, look at her mouth. She's definitely my child. Pretty girl, pretty. Breakfast time, second breakfast, and I'm having avocado. Of course, that's cayenne pepper you guys see, and a little tip of salt over there. Then, boom. There we go. Breakfast is ready. You guys should try this. It is so good. Somebody is awake from their nap. Let's go see the breakfast. Hey. Hi, pretty girl. How was your nap, gorgeous? She's like, Mama, leave me alone. Let me go back to sleep. Oh, look at you. Hi. Hi, Mama. You are so adorable when you're awake. Hi. She had that pussy. You were just like your brother was. You're just like your brother. You're the cutest. It's lunchtime, you know that? Sarah, it's lunchtime. You're not crazy here. You're not crazy here. It's lunchtime. Ready to go eat? Ready to go eat? Oh. You wanna go back to sleep? She love her cat pillow. She loved that cat pillow. It's her favorite. She love her cat pillow. Look at you. You love your cat pillow? You love your cat pillow? Ready to go? Yes. It's time to go eat. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come, let's go. Mwah! 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 Come. Let's go. Up. You don't want to come? Up. Up. You are so funny. Come. Up. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. 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 I know that would get you. I know that would get you. I love making these simple wraps for lunch. And today this one is just going to be beef mince filling. I cooked beef mince a few days ago. And I have a little bit left over in the fridge. So I'm just going to stack that up. Ooh, that looks so good. And I'm just going to put some cheese on the top. Looks so good. To call these my lazy meals. When I don't know what I want for lunch, I always go for a wrap like this, and it's quick, easy, and it stay within your dieting, stay within your healthy eating. You still don't have to eat junk. So that's lunch for today. One, and I'm good to go. How delicious that looks. Isn't that looking delicious? And you can put anything within your filling, girl. It is only me. I'm cooking dinner right now. You guys know I love my lab. It's Friday, but if I don't cook, which means we're gonna have to do pizza, so I am making dinner. I'm gonna make chicken in coconut sauce. I'm gonna cook some spaghetti for Tyler, and then I'm gonna cook green beans for Babe and I. So here's a visual for dinner for today. Chicken in coconut sauce is here, and beans are here, and then spaghetti for Tyler. My job here is done, honey. Why your face looking like that? You guys, we're going to the school run. We're going to get brother. You excited to go get Tyler? You ready to go get Tyler? You ready to go get Tyler? Come on, let's go. We're going for brother. Oh, my bestie gave me this Jamaica bag, and I love it. I love carrying it everywhere I go. When I'm making little runs like this, and the sun outside is no joke. Ready? Stop sucking your tongue. Ploops. Anyway, you guys, we'll be back. So we'll be back. Give me a kiss. Leave the headband. I have to put a headband instead of a bow to put up the hair at the back, because when she sweats, it really starts affecting her skin. Anyway, we out. Say bye. It's dinner time for me. And this is what my plate is looking like. Look who is home and having dinner. Look who is home. Say hello. What are you eating? Look at him in the food. And somebody hear the plate. Somebody else hear the plate. Somebody else hear the plate. Somebody else. The food burning here? Blow it. You're so funny. Alright, Mama is coming to give you chicken. Look, chicken. Ooh. Yay! Yay! She's so aggressive. Take your time, Mama. Yay! Okay, take them off and go again.
Enough this way.
Come, Sarah. Sarah. Pay attention. Patience. Yay! Tell her, let she finish what she doing. Yay!
Last one.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yay! Yay! Yay! Hello. 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 How are you? Hello. 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 How are you?
I'm great.
I'm good.
I'm wonderful.
I'm good.
I'm great.
Hello. Hello.
Watch too
Hello,
much
how are
TV.
you?
Anyway, you guys, it's time for the.
Whooping hole.
So why are you doing that?
Titi.
What about my titi?
Yes, is your titi going to stay these things too?
My
Happy
titi going to what?
Biscuit.
Wait.
Do the things that we say. Happy biscuit.
One bag at a time, okay? Let's move them closer. Alright, ready?
Yes.
Let's do this fast.
One.
Say it properly and then you can mess around. What is this?
Yogurt. Butter.
What is it?
Pot butter.
Butter.
Peanut butter. Tree.
What is this?
Tree.
What's the right thing?
Tree. It's tree.
It's broccoli.
Oh.
I tell you, you can mess around and then say the right thing, okay? You crazy. What's this?
Apple.
What is this?
Apple.
Compote. Because he's a... Ooh. This was on the list. What is
Oh,
this?
never know what it is.
Chicken liver. Yes! Papa know me. Alright, what's this?
Ooh, chicken.
No,
chicken,
you fish.
chicken.
You guys don't listen to Tyler. Please don't. Alright, let me see what you're gonna say this one is.
Yellow stick.
Fries. I'm gonna fry yellow stick. Give you a
Yes, I want yellow stick. I want to eat yellow stick today.
Stop squeezing my breast
Today,
like that. Let me box you with the shrimp. Stop doing that.
So it's chicken.
Shrimp.
Chicken.
Okay, what is this?
Ooh.
Sausage. Merguez, a different type of sausage.
Stick.
And
Stick.
minced beef.
Oh, it's not it was stick. Ooh, chicken.
Salmon.
Chicken.
Tyler. Sweet peppers.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, red circle. I mean, brown and yellow circle.
His favorite donut snack. Oh. Okay then.
What he buy? Wow.
It's like minced beef but
Oh, wow, I
on
used
for
to
the
love
barbecue.
that. I love that. I love that. I
Then
want
the
to eat
barbecue.
it.
Chicken.
Stomach.
Okay, I'm gonna do the haul alone because you're not doing it
No,
properly.
no. Just want to mess around.
Okay. Chicken wing.
Okay.
Chicken
Why
thigh.
are you saying
Because
no?
you're not saying.
You want to say. You want to say. Brown square.
Bread.
Round biscuit.
Happy biscuit for Tyler. Juice.
Ah. Apple.
Apple juice. Baking flour, so you know baking about to go
Oh,
down.
rice.
Quinoa, rice. Yeah, rice with your
Rice. That is
That's wrapping.
pizza plate, and that
Don't
is
touch.
special snack. Special snack.
Cashew
Yeah.
and
Cashew?
almond nut. Yeah, this is cashew.
So why put a buy that one.
Good question. I'm gonna ask him when he get back.
Jelly.
It's Nutella. Why a jelly? Jelly with you. What is this?
Ooh, cotton.
Tuna.
I mean cotton. That is
So
butter for baby. Ooh, that is
baking
soap.
That's baking soda.
That is chicken.
Cheese. And
And
yogurt
that
for
is
Sarah.
the gold biscuit.
You silly coffee. You're gonna fall, get down. Alright, thank you for helping me doing the Super Mario Tower, Zoe. Bye bye. Don't touch anything, there's no more. It finished. You want to do more?
Yeah. So
There's no
here,
more.
what
Goodbye.
they have?
Goodbye. It finished. It finished too fast. Faces after blacklist. Why my posture is like this? Look like hunchback.
Hey guys, it's Friday night and I'm falling asleep earlier than in a week.
Because it's the end of the week.
And
You're
there's
trained.
no work tomorrow, but we have things to do tomorrow. We have plan.
It's the weekend.
For
We like to
tomorrow.
go hard on the weekends.
We have plan tomorrow. What's the plan?
You're gonna have to just watch tomorrow's vlog to see.
You gonna like it?
Hopefully we'll discover. Anyway, you guys, we're just coming out to tell you guys thanks for watching. We won't give you guys any expressions because our eyes closing. Right?
Oh yeah.
Babe went to the
The
supermarket.
movie was so intense and I just stopped it because I miss
Just
half,
when I want
I'm gonna miss
more.
half of the movie if I watch it now. Me
I felt like I would just fall asleep and watch it just to get the scoop. You know the vibes. Anyway, you guys, our babies are in bed. Tomorrow is gonna be a long day, so we're heading in right now. So thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to Body After Baby. The link is down below in the comment section and in the description box. You guys, at least 2,000 plus of you watching this vlog. You have to go and subscribe, please. Anyway, guys, love y'all. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
tomorrow.